Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. It is Kev G here once again, bringing you guys like a vlog style video because I don't normally do this, but like a week ago I did an Instagram poll and asked if you guys want to see more vlog style content and like daily lifestyle kind of videos. Nobody said no. Everybody said yes. So got away from school for a little bit. It is Super Bowl weekend, ladies and gents. It is Thursday right now. So super excited to be back and just making content for you guys. So what am I doing today? Getting in front of this trailer first, but second, just seeing what's going on in the shop. I told Evan that I was close, I was in town, but I did not tell him I was coming over. Carson's car was in the shop, still is. If you guys are new, subscribe to the channel. We're in the S5 today with the new carbon fiber paddle shifters. We got carbon everywhere now, ladies and gents. So super excited to be bringing y'all some new content, especially because I have no plan today. That is like the best kind of day, when you have no plans and you just see what you get into. So let's fast forward to the shop. Let's see what's going on there and let's have some fun, shall we? But first, can't forget that algorithm, guys. Hit the like button for me, please. Helps me out, helps promote the videos. You guys know that by now. So I'm in the car, I look to my right and there's a person in their car alone and they got a mask on. I understand when you're going into a crowded mall or a grocery store or anything where there's a bunch of people, right? But when you're in your car alone, people act like when you're playing Warzone and the gas is coming in, it's like every time you go outside or step foot outside your quarantine zone, your home, it's like that gas. That's my little rant of the day, but we just got to M22, so gonna pop out, say hello to everybody and see what is going on in the shop today. Hello, mister. Are you here for work?
No, we're supposed to like clean the shop today. Just get it cleaned up.
Well, I haven't been in here since this is updated. Evan had to leave as soon as I got here, but the boys rolled up and it's a big cleaning day. So we're gonna get this mess unclogged. I'm gonna help out of the shop because I feel like I owe the crew here a little work because they've always been so nice. Letting us use the space, letting Carson keep his car here. Whose moped? No way. I don't think it would be much match to the Yamaha Zuma I have. Good to see another moped though. Ladies and gents, in the cockpit of the E90 335 because we're gonna go pick up a gas can. Got some shop cleaning to do and the pressure washer needs gas. So,
Just a little bit of gas.
just a little bit. Gotta pick it up. We are in the JV4 tuned N54.
55.
55. That's right. What year is this? 11?
11, yeah.
Okay, that's what I thought. My bad. N55 in these. And we got traffic. We also have a polar vortex coming. So we're trying to get as much as we can done while the roads are clear. We might do a snow drifting video depending on what the weather does. But for now, it's shop cleanup day. Woo. So we'll figure out the plan. Ooh, some pops and burbles.
Green light, green light, green light. Yes.
Oh well. It's not a shop video without a C63 cold start. Oh baby. That's in comfort mode. We're back in the whips out right now, so we're gonna get started cleaning the shop. Ugh. No backup cam in this old beast. So, we're winging it. Alrighty. No backup cam on the C63. It's your boy, go give him a follow. Oh man, I wish. We're parked in the garage and for some reason Evan's dash is exposed, so hopefully this isn't bad for the car, but it's kind of fun to play with. Top speed of 180 in this thing. This is an A4 and my dash doesn't even go up to 180, it goes up to 160. Carson's rolling up in the Ligma mobile. Hey, you like the merch, sir?
Hey, thanks, man. That's what the force was.
My goodness gracious. We hit a bit of a dilemma if anybody knows how to hotwire an A4. let us know, because we need to move this out of the shop, but Evan's keys are nowhere to be found. They're not in the dash, not in the car anywhere. It smells like gas.
He just opened the gas tank.
Oh, the gas gas can's right next to me. I didn't even know it. Stupid. There's a what?
Bruh.
Evan, what? This is chilling in the glove box? You kidding me? There's a cap gun in his glove box. Trigger discipline, everybody.
Oh. Is it shattered or something?
I don't know. It looks like it might be legitimately designed to look like a puddle.
Let's see if this one looks like that. No, it's supposed to be Audi rings, dude.
That's what I said. I said it looks like it's supposed to be Audi rings, but it's just not.
Yeah, you can see like the 4 rings right here. And then it says Audi. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we've run into a bit of a snag, a little situation. The pressure washer hose burst. So we're trying to find what works, and 3M double-sided tape doesn't seem to be. So we're thinking about heading to Menards, getting us a little bit of flex tape. Well, he does say it even works underwater. So it better work. I have seen this man literally in the commercials, like a flowing water, slap it on to a fish tank that's draining. I think if we dry it off, we put flex tape on there, it has to work. Phil Swift and I are very close. If it doesn't work, I'll just take it up with him. We can probably settle it. Is that a cop? Oh,
Flex tape.
Here we go, ladies and gents. Probably clear.
This is gray. It'll match.
Let's do the gray.
Looks like somebody yoinked it a little bit. Big shout out to my guy, Phil Swift. Always coming in clutch. We got to turn him so his face is out in every single one. Made a Phil Swift army. My guy. Phil Swift wished me a happy birthday. For those of you that are new to the channel, that was in March. So my birthday is coming up this year. I'll be old, 23. I don't get starstruck. And Phil Swift wished me a happy birthday and I was freaking out.
I hear him.
Bit of an impulse purchase, but we're expecting a big old storm. And I kind of like this. I'm gonna wrap a microfiber around it. It's gonna be looking pretty cool. I'm excited to see where it goes. Use this side, not for the paint, because that'd be horrible. And the chauffeur is arriving. Shotgun. Whoop, whoop. This doesn't quite have the drama as the commercial does.
Yeah, just take a piece out.
You probably don't need more than one loop.
All right, Phil.
Oh, that stuff's sticky.
Putting it up to the challenge here. All right, moment of truth. Connecting her back up, giving her a rip. Oh. What? How?
We put flex tape on there, it has to work.
How? Phil! We gotta redo it. We gotta put it on like tighter.
I think we just keep adding on.
No, there's no way.
It went straight through the flex tape.
Oh my God, it went straight through the flex tape.
Oh no. Phil! I don't think Phil accounted for pressure in his math.
We just turned the shop into a water park.
That was scary. We're absolutely layering this thing up.
You can hear the water just chooching in there.
Just gurgling, waiting to burst. I just thickly stacked about 10 or 15 layers of Gorilla Tape over the flex tape, and we're putting another layer of flex tape on top. So let's get that nice and tight, watertight seal. That is a lot of protection. Ladies and gentlemen, moment of truth. We have about 20 layers of protection. How is it leaking?
It's just that much
It's insane. Well, I'll be darned.
Straight through again.
You're kidding.
That is insane.
That was a cute little rev. Well, that wraps up a good day at the shop.
Well, could have been better, but
Could have been better. Well, ladies and gents, that may have been the most unproductive day at the shop that we've ever had. I don't do much in the shop besides bother people and film, so that's saying a lot. What we ended up doing is deciding tomorrow, I think, is time for a new hose. Not gonna lie, a little disappointed with the Flex Seal. I understand it's not supposed to withstand that kind of pressure, so I'm not that surprised, but yes, disappointed because I thought Phil Swift would prove me wrong, and that just wasn't the case. If you guys like this kind of content, not really doing much with cars, honestly just like vlogging, having fun, messing around, hanging at the shop, so leave me a comment, let me know. But guys, this is gonna wrap up the video, so leave a like for the algorithm, subscribe if you're new, and until next time guys, have a safe week, drink water, adios.